On the occasion of Navratri, Prerna Parivar performed Kanya Pujan for over 5,100 girls from the surrounding areas in the Raj Bhavan premises in Lucknow. On this occasion, Uttar Pradesh Governor Anandiben Patil, Shri Ram Janmabhoomi Teerth Kshetra Trust General Secretary Champavat Rai and Area Pracharak Mr. Anil inaugurated the free HPV vaccination drive. Additionally, 100 girls received free HPV vaccination to protect them from cervical cancer. Neeraj Thakur from the Ekal Abhiyan Central team was also present at the event. Moving forward, the Ekal Abhiyan Skill Development class concluded on September 25th in Koteshwar, Uttarakhand. This 7-day class organized by the Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad was conducted from September 19th to September 25th, 2025. The chief guest of the program was Bhupal Ram Tamta, Garhwal Division Veteran and member of the Legislative Assembly from Tharali. Vijay Kaparwan, Zonal Office in charge and Vice President of the Sri Badri Kedar Temple Committee, was also present as the special guest. Next news. The committee training class meeting was held in Savai Madhopur Division, Rajasthan, with the presence of Navneet Karma, Kendriya Sah Prashikshan Pramukh and Zonal Health Chief Girdhar Singh. Along with them, all the dedicated workers of the Sant Samitis were present. Next news. Nationalist poet, comedian and laughter challenge show fame Ajay Atpatu arrived at Ekal Bhavan in Pitampura, Delhi. After his interview, he was welcomed and greeted by senior members of the Bharat Lok Shiksha Parishad and Ekal Bharat team. On this occasion, Mr. Ajay filled everyone with enthusiasm and excitement with his lines on nationalist thinking.
कि पोस्टर गंगा जल का था, वहाँ विस्की और रम निकले। पोस्टर गंगा जल का था, वहाँ विस्की और रम निकले और बड़े बेआबरू होकर तेरी पिक्चर से हम निकले और शहीदों की शहादत पर किसी के लब नहीं डोले। शहीदों की शहादत पर किसी के लब नहीं डोले, ये नायक फिल्मी पर्दों के बड़े ही बेशरम निकले।
Moving forward, on the occasion of Mahanavami, a puja was held with due rituals at the WEC Center in Pandalur, Tamil Nadu. During this, all the beneficiaries, girls and women at the swing center were present. Next news. The Ekal Shrihari Mandir Rath Utsav Department, Division South Himachal Shimla, concluded the worship program at Ekal Vidyalaya Lingjar in Chaupal Division, Sirmaur. Bhajans, Kirtans and Hanuman Chalisa were recited during the religious gathering, and the program concluded with the distribution of prasad and the Kalyan Mantra. Next news. The Zonal Committee training class for Alwar Division Rajasthan concluded on September 28th. Mr. Om Prakash, Central Team Member, Youth Department and Mr. Suresh Sharma, Division Training Head along with several committee members were present. Last news. On the auspicious occasion of Vijayadashmi on 2nd October, the centenary of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh was celebrated across the country. A grand event was also held in Nagpur, where RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat was the chief guest, along with former President Ramnath Kovind, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari and Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis were also present. The event began with a tribute to RSS founder Dr. Hedgewar, followed by a weapons worship ceremony. The volunteer march and the band performance were also the major highlights of the event. During the event, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat said that after the Pahalgam attack, our government and army gave a befitting reply, and this incident revealed the difference between friend and foe.